is you're going to take the filter out. You get 100%, tip, 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 fill it up with water. Let's see, tip it in here, nice and soapy. And then you put the machine water back. There we go. So when this light comes on, you should have actually thought, oh, I better descale it. I'm going to hold this one down first and then the powder. Now it's heating up. Flashing, flashing light, flashing light, flashing light. So now we have got that one on, and this one come on. Press this button. And this lasts for 20 seconds. You repeat the process. That button there again. And now put it forward. 8 seconds. Oops. And run it through now. Good. I've had to replace the rubber sealant thing up here before. If yours is corroded, you can buy new ones. When I go 4 years. Why it's doing that? I won't do it. Back here. Try it one more time. No juice. Right, so now what we're going to do is going to turn the machine off, and then we take this out and we wash it. Take this off. Now you want to make sure you wash it out of the line. Right, that's that done. We turn it on. Okay, the light's gone off now. We're waiting for it to heat up. So now it's going to be washing the rest of it out. This one. Right, stop that. This here. Cheating with this. And then we'll go like this. Into this. So now it's starting to make all the noises. See what's happening. Look at that. Steam in the way. Gotta be good. And put it that way. Here it comes. Woo! Oh, now it's just, there we go. And the water is getting clearer, but not clear enough to drink yet. Get away. Woo-hoo! Make sure she's got no foam whatsoever. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. I'm going to go double now. So this is the filter, and it's got a filter like this. I've never changed it. Perhaps I meant to, but you can't pull it out. So there's a button under here. You pull it out like that, and there's your filter. All right, let's do another one. So I've rinsed that out. I've rinsed that quite a lot actually, and then I'm going to put it back in here like this, and then I'm going to get this here. And it's going to click in before you know it. Click done. And it's looking cleaner. It's looking pretty clean now. Pretty happy with that. Yes, settled down lovely. Oh, it's looking good. Looking good. How much water have we got left? It should be, we'll run it dry on this one. I'm going to give this a good... Then I'm going to put the filter back. Filter. And I think that just goes down. It does. I have. I'm not worried. It's basically finished now, but just to be sure, I'm going to do another clean. Looking good. Looking good. Now we'll try for a big one. Woo-hoo! And the way she's going, frothing the milk. Music to the ears. It's here. It smells good. Okay, tastes good. Do the taste test. Happy with that. Alright, that's it.